Good day, my name is Said Pais and today I am going to speak about an interesting topic called Nanobots plugging our brains into internet. Nanobots can fulfill many functions, such as, among others, traveling inside our body to fight some disease or repair organs. In my opinion, nanobots are microscopic entities that can help or improve the human body, since each one is made to fulfill a specific function. But how can they help us to connect our brains to the internet? It is very important to take into account that everything is controversial was started by future scientists like Ray Kurzweil or Ben Cerf. Of course, this will not give you superpowers, nor will it help you to fly, but it will give you the possibility to expand our knowledge and express ideas and feelings quickly in a way never seen before. Kurzweil predicts that in the future human brains will be able to connect to the cloud, which will give you the ability to send emails and photos directly for our brain, in addition to supporting our thoughts. This will be possible through nanobots. I think that this extension will bring advantage to our lives by improving our logical and emotional intelligence, as well as, of course, connecting to the internet, which will practically turn us into computers. Another proposal that is closely related is that of biomolecular computers, or simply implants in the brain, very similar to nanobots, that will provide use with skills through our brain. Although everything looks good from Ray and Ben's point of view, their proposal cannot be completely trusted. Other scientists say brain nanobots will be unsafe and ineffective in the short term or not at all. All because how little we know about how the brain works. Is it important to remember that although science is far from being complete in brain's nanotechnology continues to evolve, but it is very possible that in the distant future it will be possible to connect our brains to the internet, as proposed by Ray or Ben Cerf, since every day that now connecting the internet on our device is much easier and safer. But we need more time to further develop this technology to achieve the goal of plugging our brains into internet. Thanks for the attention.